Whether you've been together for a few years or many decades, it's totally normal for the honeymoon phase to wear off, and for things to feel a bit stale. But that doesn't mean the spark has to die completely. You are not alone. Here are a few things that have worked for me and my partner, and I hope that they work for you too. Tip 1. Prioritize intimacy. Intimacy is not just about sex. It's about feeling connected, valued, and appreciated by your partner. Intimacy in a romantic relationship is cultivated by two deliberate people, not something that just happens. As a matter of fact, it's what you give importance to in your relationship that you will enjoy. If reigniting the fire of love is crucial to you, then it's important to prioritize intimacy. Spend quality time alone with your significant other and partake in activities that foster intimacy. It's easy for work and other obligations to take precedence over other commitments due to life's hectic schedule. However busy you and your spouse are, it's imperative that you put your relationship first and make time for meaningful alone time. Plan romantic evenings, weekend trips, or even simply a cozy night whenever feasible. Any of these things can help you both rekindle the passion in your relationship. Tip 2. Prioritize lovemaking. It's important to prioritize making love to your significant other if you're married. Frequent sexual activity fosters a deeper emotional bond between you and your partner. Furthermore, it releases oxytocin and other chemicals that promote emotional attachment and trust building. Moreover, it's a means of expressing to your spouse your concern and desire for a close relationship. Most importantly, ensure that your lovemaking is making love. You and your lover should never become bored in the other room. Experiment with different sex positions and styles. Don't just pass out after every sexual encounter. Start by giving each other a hug or a cuddle and expressing your affection for one another. Discuss the positive traits you adore in your mate and express your gratitude for them. Be completely honest with your feelings and opinions without any guilt at all. If you do this regularly, you will experience a different new level of emotional connection with your partner. Tip 3. Prioritize physical touch. Never mistake physical intimacy with sexual intimacy. Because physical intimacy with your partner does not necessarily entail sexual activity. In a relationship, physical touch is vital and may strengthen the bond between you. It might be as easy as snuggling on the couch, embracing, kissing, or holding hands. Your spouse will feel more loved and wanted, and you will feel emotionally closer to each other the more physically connected you are. More importantly, don't be afraid to be spontaneous and playful with your touch. Tip 4. Prioritize love and affection. In addition to physical intimacy, it's important to show your partner love and affection in other ways. But it's critical to recognize that everyone expresses and receives affection in different ways. Therefore, it's crucial that you understand your partner's preferred method of showing affection as well as their love languages. You may want to surprise them with small gestures, like leaving a love note, presenting a gift, or sending a thoughtful text message during a stressful day for them. Whatever you can do to show your partner how much you value and care for them should be your main focus. These acts of kindness can go a long way in strengthening your bond, or reigniting the spark in your relationship. Tip 5. Prioritize communication. Communication is essential to any love connection, just as blood is to life. It's the secret of rekindling your love for your partner. You should always discuss your needs, desires, and feelings to your partner at all times. You may be feeling detached in some manner, or there may be specific things that used to turn you on but no longer. Whatever it is, be honest and open with each other. This fosters trust and a safe environment for vulnerability. And make sure you're both on the same page about what you want and need from each other. As you express your feelings, listen to your partner's needs. Discuss your desires and work together to find ways to fulfill them. Because this open and honest dialogue can help you both feel more connected and understood, strengthen your bond, and bring back the missing spark. Tip 6. Prioritize common interests. Even if you and your partner may have diverse interests, you should make the most of your shared interests. It helps to bring you both to work together in unity, thereby strengthening your bond. Another thing that can help reignite passion is trying new activities together. This may be trying out a new pastime, going on an exciting date night out, enrolling in a dancing class, moving outside of your comfort zone, or visiting a place you've never visited before. The key is to engage in activities that revive your spirit of adventure and enthusiasm. Tip 7. Prioritize personal happiness. Being a sadist prevents you from giving your lover your best. Your incapacity to handle your personal problems will probably force you to push your lover away. Stay away from anything that can jeopardize your happiness. Because if you're not happy, it will affect the way you relate with your partner. And rather than bonding, it builds bridges between you both. Such is not what you desire. Hence, It is so imperative that you always look after your physical, emotional, and mental needs, since this may have a significant good or bad effect on your bond. Finally, Tip 8. Prioritize the little things. Failing to do the little things that we occasionally think are unimportant or insignificant is what usually kills passion in a relationship instead of the major things. This might be as simple as preparing their favorite meal, surprising them with a kind gesture or present, leaving them a nice letter, complimenting them, making them feel heard and valued, or scheduling some quality time to chat, laugh, and enjoy each other's company. The main things are to laugh and enjoy each other's company. You'll naturally be passionate when you're pleased together. These modest gestures of care and love have the power to truly change things. So there you have it, some tips for regaining passion with your partner. Regaining passion with your mate requires patience, commitment, and hard work, but it's well worth the effort if you want a happy and satisfying relationship. By prioritizing intimacy, constant lovemaking, physical touch, love and affection, communication, common shared interests, personal happiness, and the little things that matter, you can reignite the flame and experience happiness and closeness once again. But hopefully these tips will give you some inspiration to get started. Good luck!